Hello, and welcome to the November release for data classification updates. We're going to be going over the CDGC product, specifically over the metadata command center. For this agenda, we're only covering two major changes, the first being the updates to sensitivity levels, and the second being the deletion of classifications. We're going to start by selecting the metadata command center chiclet. And once we've loaded in, we can go ahead and create a test to demonstrate some of the new changes. Move to data classification, create the data element classification, and we can name this test, for example. The first change is the sensitivity levels. We've added a new level for none in addition to the existing low, medium, and high. The purpose of this was to create a sense of differentiation between no sensitivity at all and low sensitivity data. Along with this change to the classification levels were also the change to the icons, which now, instead of presenting as green, yellow, and red, present as 1, 2, and 3 chevrons. Now, the next piece will be the actual creation and then deletion of the qualifier. We can leave the qualifier as is, just because we want to create this as a test. Save. And now that this is saved, we can then choose to delete the object. It's going to pop up with a warning to make sure that we're sure that we want to delete the data element classification. We choose that we are, and it triggers a job. We can monitor the job details until it's finished. And we've gone ahead and skipped the time it took, but the status is reading as complete. Our test data classification no longer exists. And we can double check this by going to Explore here under Data Classifications, and there's nothing left to display. More information on data classification information and what's changed in the November release can be found at the following link. Please give us your feedback. We'd like to hear from you at either of these sources. And thank you for your time today.